Good morning, guys. I hope you're well. Today, we're going to be learning how to protect our capital while still earning yield. So, I've designed a very simple portfolio. I'm going to run through four positions we're going to open, and then I'm going to explain to you the benefits of each one and how you can use this to protect your capital when the market crashes. You can have this open and the market will crash and you'll be making money in a sense that even if it goes up, you should have more than $100 as well. So it's a win-win situation and you can adapt this how you want. This is for demonstration purposes for you to learn, okay, this is what I need to do. Some people like just farming stable coins. Some people like wide long-term ranges and some people like tight ranges. So you're going to get a feel for it if you've never yield farmed before. So we're going to start off with stable coins. Don't see this as $50. See it as 50% of your portfolio, 30%, 15 and 5%. Because it's heavily weighted in we're anticipating a crash. And the crash will come at some point, who knows when. But when it does, you're ready for it and you won't panic. You'll be like, okay, good, I'm in a position, I can sleep well at night. So you want a stable coin pair, two stable coins together and a zero point 0.1 and a zero point 0.1 range. Always 0.1, 0.1 range. If you want it slightly tighter, like USDC and USDT, you could probably do like 0.07, like that. But I wouldn't advise it for USD1 because it sometimes depegs around 0.15%. Yeah, because it's got thinner liquidity. Now, if you went in with your $25, for example, and you may have to adjust this range slightly, you'll have around 5 cents. It's probably a bit more. I have a slightly wider range than we anticipated, but 5 cents is nothing. It will do nothing. It will earn you nothing. However, your $50 will always be $50. Your capital is protected and you have some sort of income. Sure, you can leave stable coins in your wallet, but you kind of just want to build up. So if you start compounding this over a long period of time, you'll learn how to maneuver your portfolio and the the method that your money moves through your portfolio. So that's a very simple one, a basic one. Now we want a downsided. Now this is mixing in one of my strategies and you want to go with a hard asset like Solana, Ethereum, or Bitcoin. You can do it on any chain, anywhere you want. So here we have a downside. So we want to do like this. You can use the single-sided position and you want to just do whatever you feel. So if you think Solana, the ultimate bottom of Solana is maybe $25, you can do that. Yeah. And then put in your, just your, whatever the amount was, what was it, 30 or something? Let me check. $30 downside. Now, what this does is it provides liquidity all the way down. And you'll be in a position where even when it falls, you'll be earning and you compound it back. And eventually, when it goes up, you'll be around here and you'll probably break even with enough compounding. And it protects your capital. So your dollars DCA in to Solana as it goes down. It suddenly doesn't buy Solana at all levels. It'll be buying Solana down here. So it's a very good way if you want to just set and forget. And I would advise this position definitely, even if you want to put just these two stable coins and the downside. Now we want a wide range. Now we've covered if the market falls. We've got stable coins for a little bit of income and we've got the downside. Don't forget, this USDC can feed into the stable coin. So your yield here. Now we're going to have a wide one. This again needs to be Solana USDC or Solana, a Bitcoin and Solana together, something like that. But we'll take a wide range. So you've got an idea of you want to aim for about 0.1%. Yeah. Anything less than that, you're just wasting your time with this tiny amount. And again, we're not looking to, so you can even go for a 20%. And this is just to sort of find out where Solana's going. If it falls to 100 and bounces, you'll still be in a good range. It's tight enough to earn a few cents per day, if anything. So whatever the amount was, let's go with, let's just try and find out what we would have earned. We would earn a few cents per day. But this has the gains of capital appreciation as well as DCAing into Solana as it falls. It's not going to make you a massive amount. Again, this portfolio is just for illustration purposes. Now, my favorite one, believe it or not, $5 can do a lot in yield farming. And you want to do this with a high risk asset. So this doesn't have to be a major one. And again, keep the ratios the same is in terms of 50%, 30, 15, and 5%, but you can change the amount. And this is for you to learn and to understand how it all works and manage your portfolio over a few weeks or months. Now, you want to do something like a meme coin for this. So you want to do something which is one central exchange listed. So you want something like Tro is performing very well at the moment, wherever that is. Is it this one? I don't know. So Tro is performing very well, and you could go in with a tight range onto Tro, like for example, you could do maybe a 25% onto it, which is if you would have caught all this time since basically December, you would have been in range pretty much and you would have earned quite a bit. Tro is obviously performing really well. It's not showing the estimated yield, but it's very high at the moment. I'm guessing it's a few percent. So you'd go in with your very small amount. Now, this is your portfolio. Pick this one carefully. You don't want to be chopping and changing too much. You want something that's listed on Binance, Coinbase, etc. Now, once you've got your portfolio, you'll probably be getting like maybe 30 cents, 20 cents to 30 cents a day. And what do you do with that? You move it into a fifth position. Now, this can be anything you want. You can either put it into all stable coins if you think everything's going to fall, and you just keep feeding. And then suddenly, after week one, after a few days, you got $100.04. And this will help protect your portfolio and your balance long term. After a few weeks, you've got, $1, or let's say like $3.45, $103, but you're earning like just slightly more. So you're earning, I don't know, 35 a day and 23. Like it just goes up as it goes on and you build a portfolio. It does take a long time, but if you feel comfortable, if the market's fallen and it's completely bottomed out, you can deploy more capital and then remake this portfolio once again. So I hope this video has been helpful. I hope it's been useful. All the best and take care.